Hey everyone, I am Ivy from BattCore. Let's be honest, the BMW i8. The gull-wing doors, the futuristic design that still turns heads today, it's a legend. And the build quality, typical BMW, that carbon fiber chassis means zero rust forever. But if you own one, you know the dark secret, the battery. Your i8's original range is long gone. And official dealer battery prices are so astronomical that a swap makes no financial sense. Which is exactly why used i8 values have tanked. Forget scrapyard modules, those packs are just as tired as yours. But here at BattCore, we have the fix. We can give your i8 a new lease on life, at a price that actually makes sense. It is plug and play, no hacking, no cutting. It talks to your car just like the original. We swap your old 20 ampere hour modules for new 34 ampere hour ones. Fresh modern cells. They'll outlast your original battery by years. Putting these new batteries in your i8 is like putting prime Lionel Messi on a kindergarten soccer team. The performance is overkill, and he is not going to get hurt. So, let's get to work. Here's how we perform a battery transplant on a BMW i8. Handle the battery pack with extreme care to keep it balanced and prevent tipping. Inside the i8 pack, there are 6 modules in total, stacked in 2 layers. Each module connects to 2 CSC. We'll replace all 6 old modules with new ones, keeping the exact same installation position, order, and wiring layout. There are quite a few metal brackets between the upper and lower layers. Make sure to mark them for easy reassembly. There are quite a few metal brackets between the upper and lower layers. Make sure to mark them for easy reassembly. Here we have a 20 ampere hour battery module taken from a first-gen i8. In front of me is a direct replacement BMW original 34 ampere hour battery module. Yes, direct swap plug and play. No CSC replacement needed. No wiring harness modifications required. Same size, same installation, same interface. BattCore products are hassle-free. Just install and go. Others talk about risks and uncertainties. Ivy says, choose BattCore, install it, and fix it. We have the most installations worldwide, a global network of partner repair shops, and a 24-hour technical support. And don't forget this little piece. It must go back in. No more range anxiety, no more warning lights. Just the pure thrill of the i8, with better range than the day it left the factory. If your i8 is suffering from battery degradation and you don't want to pay dealership prices, hit up BattCore. We keep the legends on the road. I am Ivy. Thanks for watching.